Morning guys, welcome back to the channel, and we're here to feed the warp again here in the morning.
Huwag dyan, kasi naglulusot dun sa
This one keeper too.
Yeah, this
Yeah.
one, keep it too.
How many inches? 4, right?
This one's 4.
Oh, more than 4, that's for sure.
This is how you like to feed.
Oh, ayan ang maganda, puro pula dito.
Eat pansit. Get the bucket.
Dun sa kabila, puro DG dun. Hindi
Ito
mo naman
bakit?
pwedeng,
Asan yung bakit
ayun, bakit ni Kuya, lagay mo muna. Teka, kukunin ko yung bucket natin.
Keeper.
Papaya.
Sige, mamaya.
Dito mo lagay.
Ito, hindi pa to.
Oh,
Ito pwede na to. Ito, inihat lang naman to.
Hindi, kailangan ano muna para sigurado. Nandito,
yung mga susukatin,
nandito yung panukat yung nilagay ko dito kanina.
nawala. Ayun, nasa ilalim Kuya eh. Maipit ka na.
Ito, sukatin nyo to.
Ay, ang laki ng red crab oh.
Ulam.
Meron ganyan si papa mo nasa rep.
Ganito kalaki din yun, yun ang binili. Hindi, yun yung pinakamaliit. Pero yung pinakamalaki.
Ah, that is a gigantic crab.
Oo, itaw po siya.
Taog ka! Aray ko. Stop fighting.
I'll get another one.
Wow! That's a lot of red crabs. O, kasya lahat yan? Sagot lahat yan?
Can you take a picture of me, Sadie? Heidi? Hey, got it right.
There's a lot of stingray. Ha? Ha? Sige na. Iba na lang. Nakakuha na kami dalawa. Oh, be careful. Oh my God. Oh.
It's a big old shark. It's a big tiger shark. Is that a tiger shark, Sadie? We got our last pull. That's a lot. You know.
Ay, papasa po.
Yeah.
Just take it. Oh, how about the
Measurement, yeah, that's good.
measurement?
Ito, okay ito.
No.
That's good. Sige, ito ko yung malalaki, huwag kang bibenta. Yung mga 4 inches.
Saan nyo ilalagay? Wow!
Ha? You got a lot. Ayan, puro 4 inches. You guys got what? Papa? Go, reel it, Sadie, reel it. Go, Sadie. Oh, Sadie got a perch. Wow, good cock, Sadie. You gonna take a picture of Sadie? Sadie, take a picture.
Ito mo yun mo kanina.
Inihaw
Wala,
po yan na
dinuguan.
baboy. Tsaka, paano kuya?
minarinate mo
Lempo.
sa ano?
Apo. Lahat na yan kuya yung minarinate.
Oh.
See? This one is perfect, oh.
Dinuguan. Ito pa din.
Wow. Ano yan? Yung
Bro,
big
ano
map. We
to?
get a bunch of Dungeness crab. And we all throw this back on the water because this is not allowed to keep here in Torpedo Warp all year long. Because this is their breeding ground. But if you want, you can go to Pacifica Municipal Pier. When the crabbing season is open, you can keep Dungeness crab. in legal size. What we're trying to catch here is red crab and rock crabs. The minimum size of rock crabs that you can keep is 4 inches, and then you can get 35 rock crabs per day per person. For bait, you can use chicken, squid, or bituka ng isda kung meron kayo. That is very effective. And you can also use chicken liver. Ayan ang huli namin guys. Oh. Dito namin sa bahay ni Kuya Delpin. Sambalding crab.
Hali na kayo, kamo po.
Hali na kayo dito. Oh, pumili na kayo. Lalaki oh.
Yung ano, yan o, kita mo yung huli.
Ito guys oh. Pinakamalaking huli namin kay Delphin. Yan ang highlights niya no?
Meron pa.
Bus kaya natin.
Sinabi ko siya.
Kay Delphin, pasuyo nga pa ako nito. Para makita. Ngayon ka-video yan.
Yan, sige. Yan si Jules. Oh, buta.
Wala eh. Ito lang kinaya eh.
Buta.
Oh. Ito eh. Ingat lang talaga dito at masakit na makadali.
So, unang salang nung crab net ko. Yun. Ayun. Napakaswerte.
Oo, sobra.